and I have to do school runs. It's so annoying, like, you know what I mean? Look at all our jacket is wet because we are standing at the bus stop. I was saying I'm going to buy umbrella. I haven't brought it yet. But I think if I drop Danny today, definitely I will go and get one umbrella. Finger crossed. Is it, Danny? I'll buy one for myself, one umbrella for Danny for a rainy day like this. Is it, Danny? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Because I'm tired. Say hello, Mama. My baby Rainy on a rainy day. It's raining. It's raining. Mama, let's go. We'll be fine. My baby don't even care. She's so happy. She's very happy. Guys, I don't like it when it's raining in the morning like this, that I have to take my child to school. But I like this, I love this my jacket. See how I'm using it as umbrella. So right now I'm going to go and get umbrella because this rain is becoming too much. I can't believe I don't even have umbrella. I can't believe it. Have a good day.